How to increase open rate in ActiveCampaign. What's up, you guys? Hit that like button. Let me know below in the comments what would you like to learn in the next video, and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming content how to master your email marketing. So you want to write subject lines that increase curiosity. So I'm in make money online niche, and this is the subject line: hate your job, 9 to 5 job, quit, do this now. Right, so this increases curiosity because people want to find out what they should do, right? And also, when you are building an automation, make sure that the first email you send, let me give you an example. Let me open it up. And make sure that you put this in your first sentence, or in the first two or third sentence. So you thank them for whatever they opt in, and then you ask them, could you do me a favor and shoot me an email back and say got it, just so I know that you got the email. And guys, when people respond, basically your next emails will not go to spam or promotions. It will seem like it's a regular conversation, right? So that's why it will go directly to their primary inbox, and that's how you will increase your open rates, because people will actually receive the email. And also you want to put in subject lines emojis. This also increases open rates, because imagine if you have 10 different emails and one of them there is emoji in it, which one you are going to notice is the one with emoji, right? So that's another trick in the book that you may want to use. And you know, stuff like that. Action required, right? If people want to reclaim their freedom, then there is action required, so they want to see what's the action and stuff like that. So guys, let me know in the comments what would you like me to record video about, and hit that like button if you got any value from this, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos that will help you master email marketing. All right, and now you can watch this next video that I prepared for you that you are gonna love. I'll see you there.